Today we are making our fish prints. We've been working on this for a while and we have made a printing plate with a fish design. And we will put our printing plate with our fish design right here where it says put your fish printing plate here. Over here we've got a tray for our ink and our brayer. And the teacher will give you a little ink. And your brayer should go right here. You'll also have a little practice piece of paper. This is your baren for rubbing your print. And you'll have your ocean picture. Your practice paper needs to have your name and your class on the back. Make sure you get your name and your class on the back first. Make sure your picture has your name and your class on the back also. Let's start. What we want to do is coat this whole brayer roller with ink. So we're just going to dab it into the ink and get a little ink on the brayer, and then we'll roll it forward and back until it is coated evenly on the brayer. And you can see right here there's a little empty spot, so I don't have quite enough on there, so I'll roll it again. That looks like it's coated all the way. Next, I will roll the ink onto my fish printing plate. My printing plate is now coated with ink. I'm putting my brayer back down on the tray where the brayer goes. Now I'll pick up my printing plate and move it over to where it says make a print. I'll pick up my practice paper, turn it over so the name side is up, place it on top of my printing plate and use my baren to rub all over, rub the whole thing, and then peel it off and you should have a print. My practice picture looks fine, so now I'm ready to do my painting. I'll dip my brayer in the ink. I'll roll it over here to make sure that my brayer is evenly coated with ink, and it is. I will roll the ink on my printing plate and I will put my brayer back down where the brayer goes. I will pick up my printing plate and move it over to where it says make a print. And now I'll take my painting, and I decided I want to put a fish right here in the middle. So I'm going to turn it over and place the middle part of my painting right on top of that printing plate and rub it with my baren. Now peel it off and you should have your print. If you would like to do another, you can. Just put it back where it says roll ink on printing plate. Roll some ink on your brayer. Roll your ink onto your printing plate. Put your brayer back on the tray where the brayer goes. Pick up your printing plate and move it over to make a print. And then put your picture right on top of your printing plate and rub it with your baren. Then you can peel it off. And you are all done. You can take your practice paper and this paper over and put it on the drying rack. Next, you'll need a wipe. Get a wipe and wipe off your printing plate so you could use it again at home. You could use this with paint. I hope you had fun making your prints. Printmaking is a great activity because you can make multiple images again and again and again.